Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's case study video, we're actually going to do something a little different. It's more of a local type company. It's an auto repair shop, and for this guy, we've been using Target CPA, and you can see now it's a little different today. I'm in the actual ad group level, so you can see all the ad groups we're going after. Really simple, basic stuff. The last 30 days, which is March 22nd to April 20th, 2020, and that's up here. And we'll kind of just tear through this. So you can see here we're doing Target CPA. We have a CPA set of $59, and we're getting got 30 conversions over the last 30 days, which is I'm okay with that. That's happy, especially in this time going on in April. I'm actually shocked that it's been this high for conversion wise in April, but I'll take it. $46 a lead. I'm happy with that for an auto repair shop. 131 clicks, 2,600 impressions. 4.8% click-through rate, and the average cost per click is about $10. Total spend in 30 days, $1,390. Conversion rate past 30 days, average 22.9%. I'm totally okay with that. Right above 20% is where I want to be. Between 20 and 25 is our goal for every campaign. So that falls within that. So that's a green light from me. And yeah, this is really interesting actually. Because if you can see here, all the keywords that are driving most of the conversions are auto repair shop, like general terms. And I don't even think we're not even doing city ad groups in this campaign. So this one has to be expanded, obviously. But so far, so good. Set for 59 a lead, and we're getting them for 46. So I'm happy with that. And now, if I wanted to lower our cost per conversion, since I'm not controlling the bidding because this is Target CPA, which means Google's algorithm is doing all the bidding, I'll just come into our Target CPA column here and I'll lower what I want it to be. So it's usually, once this is dialed in, you can see here it's like a little over $10 lower than what we're actually telling Google we want to get the leads for. So that's why I'm happy with that. But when you adjust this will usually lower too. So if I put this down to like 57, 55, 53, whatever, this is probably going to go down a couple bucks too. So you just gotta, so it's a balancing act. You just got to adjust and just see how it does. And don't make an adjustment and then freak out if in 7 days later it's like worse or something, because this algorithm does take a few weeks to get dialed in, and that's just pretty much how it works. So this is months of this running, and we're finally at a nice healthy $46 a lead, 30 leads a month. Obviously, I want more, but I'll take what I can get in these times of what's going on in the world in April. So I'm not going to complain too much about it. There's not even a landing page either for this client. This is going straight to his auto repair website, which is really well done. And that's one of the only reasons why we've done this. This guy's site is designed to convert, and it converts very well into new customers for him. The budget we got going here is 90 a day, and it's a nice healthy budget for auto repair. If you can do anything like around 100, that'd be obviously the best. So I'd say 50 to 100 is where you want to be in the auto repair niche per day, budget wise. And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you guys have questions about this campaign, just shoot them in the comments below the video. If you're interested in us running a campaign like this for your auto repair shop or for your client's auto repair shop, we can easily just clone these type of campaigns and roll them out into your location or your client's location. It's not hard to do. So you can reach out below in the description. We'll put some links in there to our website and to a couple of free ebook we have and one of our private Facebook groups where you can learn more advanced pay-per-click tactics. So besides that, I will see you guys in the next video.